ganyan, pumunta na kayo dito. No, seriously, you want to become successful in life? Yes or no? Yes! You gotta learn how to honor time. I can still remember when I was still doing traditional business and I met a Japanese client, a Japanese actually partner. And the time was 10 o'clock, I think, the meeting, and then basically I arrived at 10:15. He was polite to wait at hinintay ako. And then when we were introduced, I shook his hand. After shaking his hand, he stood up and he left. Sabi ko, wait sir, we haven't really talked. Sabi niya, what time is our meeting? Sabi ko, 10. What time did you arrive? 10:15. Why? Sir, it's traffic. Sabi ko. And then he asked me this question. Is traffic a rare occurrence here in Manila or what do you call this? Selva? Sabi ko, rare. Sabi ko, it's a frequent, it's always traffic here. So, sabi ko, why are you going to leave? And this was his reply. How can I trust you with my business if I cannot trust you with my time? Nagigets nyo? Kaya nga para sa mga tao maaga na nandito, okay, payaman kayong lahat. Palakpakan.